Hello, this is a quick demonstration of how to install, configure and use Autogather. First, what is Autogather? So it's a tool to automate collecting diagnostics and logs from an ELM application running on Liberty. It runs on Windows and Linux, and it automates collection particularly of the performance must gather, for example, logs, Java cores, verbose GC, and database information. Let's look at installation. There are some prerequisites. You'll need a JAS admin user ID and password. You'll need access to the application server file system with the same permissions as the user running Liberty or ELM. If possible, ensure this setting is in the server.startup. It's there by default, but it can be removed. If it's removed, it will limit what can be collected. And the final step is to enable repo debug. It's a service that's in the advanced properties. Enable repo debug service. Set it to true. There's no restart needed for that. Then to do the install, you'll get a zip file called autogather.zip. There'll be a download link, for example, in a diagnostic portal email. And you extract that into your ELM installation, wherever your ELM installation folder is, /support. And that's where you extract the zip, and it will create then below there folder called Autogather, which has got several files in it to configure Autogather. So you're going to edit a couple of files. On Linux, you're going to there's a chmod command to make the Autogather shell script executable. Otherwise, you can't run it. And we're going to edit the config.linux.properties. And the settings that we have to change are the application host URL. You'd put your external host name there. Similarly here, you'd put the context root. And if you're an Oracle user, there's the schema name that you should update. Now we'll also edit creds.txt. Replace that with just the user ID I'm using. Now, when you come to running Autogather, you'll be opening a command prompt in the Autogather folder, and you're going to run a chmod command, and you're specifying the configuration file that's got your server settings in it. When it starts, there'll be some text displayed, and then you'll be prompted for your password. It will not be echoed. With the banner there, it says starting collection at 30 seconds intervals. That's the default specified in the configuration file. And basically now, at this point, you would be reproducing the problem that was being investigated so that Autogather can get the Java cores and other information during the reproduction. And then when you've finished, hit the Enter key. Don't use Control-C or Control-Break or kill the process in any way. And then Autogather will go away and collect files and zip them up into a timestamped zip file in the Gather folder. I hope this demonstration's been useful. If you have a support case where you're asked to run Autogather, you can always ask for more information or help. Thank you. Bye.